Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics and thanks for joining me today. I actually wanted to show you this really beautiful Mother's Day card that I made ahead of time. These products will go out on, well, some of them on May 6th. Some of them you can get right now. This paper though is actually something that I was able to pre-order, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is. It's called Beautiful Gallery, very appropriate name, and it's a 6x6 designer series paper. I mean, look at that. You could just put that in a frame and be done, but that's one side, and then the flip side of that is this real pretty kind of a motif. And let's see, then we have this beautiful scene. And on the back, you have some flowers that you can color in if you'd like, or just leave them black and white. Let's see. We've got this one, again, pretty flowers. And then on the back, you have this pretty color. I think this is one of our new colors, cloud cover. Let me see if it says on here. Yes, cloud cover. And let's get a few of these out of the way. Look at that one. It's something you'd see maybe on a seed packet. Beautiful flowers. And the back of it has this great green, which goes beautiful with that. If you wanted to make a bag or a box, or use it on an envelope and a card. Then, let's see, we've got this really cool scene of a little, I want to call it like a village. Very pretty. Let's put that over here. And then on the back of that one, you've got this motif. Beautiful colors. Look at this scene. And this is some of that blue cloud cover again. One of our new in colors that we have coming out in May. And then the back is a nice black and white scene with trees. I mean, that would make a beautiful sympathy card that you could just stamp your sympathy on it and you'd be done with the card. And then look at this one. These all look like they've been water painted, watercolored, just stunning. I love a good designer paper. And there's a blue motif. Then we've got this one, like house up on the hill with a little path going up or a stream. And then this color on the back. So let's do that. This one looks like a root. This would be good for a travel card or a farewell. And then on the front, you've got these beautiful flowers. This is actually what I used for my card today. I just used a portion of it. Let's see, I believe it went that way. And then I just cut it in half, 6x6, so I cut it 3 inches. And I still have the other piece here that I can use for another card. I just loved the pattern on that one. Let's put it down here. And on the back was that. Then we have a beautiful little, I guess, fishing village or marina or something. And on the back is this nice wood grain. Let's see. We've got, let's turn it this way, a nice leaf pattern and beautiful swipes of blues and grays. And then we have this one with gorgeous flowers. And on the back you have just a blue, kind of a motif again, which is stunning. So this paper is absolutely beautiful. I loved it. I knew when I saw it, I wanted it. It's actually part of a suite that's coming out. And here's the stamp set to it. It's called Gallery Blooms. I actually took this out, but I never even used it for this particular card. I did use this, I think on my last newsletter, if you look back. Let me see if I have the card out. Yep. I did a little note card using this one, and I just took all of our new in colors and cut some strips and then colored this with, I believe it was Melon Mambo and Granny Apple Green blends. And then I used the Thinking of You, which I got out of, again, this pack I've been using forever. And it is called Greetings for All Mix and Match Ephemera Pack. And I actually used my saying for this card, Happy Mother's Day, came out of here. So there's no stamping involved. Really fast and easy. Now I did use a layer of white paper that I used. Let's see if I have my... And this is the Painted Texture 3D Embossing. This has been out. It's something that's online that you can look and you can order it now. This has also been out in our annual catalog, so you can order that. And this paper, though, you'd have to wait till May 6th. But if you want to put it on your list, it's a really good one to have. It is called, let me get the name again. It is the Beautiful Gallery. And like I said, the stamps I just haven't used them. I used this for this card, but then there are other, I actually used this too on that part of the card, so you can see. And then there's still a few more that you can use. And I don't buy a lot of flowers, but I did love this set. And again, going with these flowers, it's beautiful. So I used the textured, painted texture, and I just cut a white piece out, ran it through, and then I cut my piece that was 3 inches. And then I did my Mother's Day from my pack. And then I have some new embellishments called Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink Gems. So this is the Pretty in Pink. Here's your Strawberry Slush. But then at the top, they had these beautiful other colors that were sort of a clear with a little bit of a gold or a brown in it. And then I just thought it would go perfect on this card. So that's what I used for the top. I used the top ones. And that, again, will be coming out May 6th with our new products. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of some of the new things, some of the things that you can get now. Put your list together, and then on May 6th, go ahead and order. And with our new rewards program, for once you spend, I think it's $20, anything over that, whatever the total is of your order before tax and shipping, you will get 10% rewards for you. Every time you order, it's going to be something that continues to rotate. It's like kind of like Kohl's Cash, like you bought, and so you have a reward now, and it will show up the next time you go to place an order. And so when you do, it'll have in the corner like so much credit, and then you just enter it in if you want to use it. You can use a portion of it, you can use all of it, save them up, use them on something big. It's up to you, but every time you place an order that's over the $20, you'll be earning 10% of your order. So how fun is that? There's no more waiting, there's no more host codes, it's straight to you. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you put this on your list. It's great. Thanks, and have a great day.